Hi, welcome back. And today I'm going to talk about Skivia's kumkumadi range of skincare. Yes, basically, you will get all the products from the app Clovia. Yes, Clovia is an app where you get women essentials. But when you open the app, you will check the section Skivia. Just tap the banner and you will get all the products of skincare and body care in front of you. So according to your concern, you can buy all the products from Skivia, and the delivery is really very good. You will get your products in just 2 or 3 days. So in this pink box of I get all the products, and the packaging is really impressive. So let me tell you about all the product one by one, what I get and how they are performing and how to use them, the price detail, the texture I will include. Okay, so just check the video. So this is the first product I'm talking about. This is Skivia's regenerating face wash for normal to dry skin. Yes, it comes with a neem and aloe vera as well. As you all know, kumkumadi is a balance of 23 precious herbs and oil, which gives you brighter skin and even skin tone. And neem will gently cleanse your skin and even remove dirt, impurities as well, the pimple causing germs and bacteria from your skin. And aloe vera will give you blemish free skin. So if you are facing pimple, acne, and uneven skin tone and dull skin, so blemishes, so you can definitely use this face wash and get better result. If you are normal to dry skin, you can definitely check. This is 100 grams product, and the packaging is really very good, luxury, and very lightweight. The products are free from paraben and sulfate also. So do check my description box. I will mention price and everything there, so you can get this product. Okay, so the second product is Kumkumadi Face Serum for normal to dry skin. It comes with sea buckthorn oil and grapeseed oil. 30 ml of the product quantity for rupees 999, and the bottle is made of glass and it comes with the dropper itself. It is very hygienic and very comfortable to use. So Skivia Kumkumadi face serum helps to reduce dark spot and pigmentation and reveals a brighter skin tone. Kumkumadi oil is a rich formulation of 23 precious herbs and oil that makes skin look brighter and even toned. It possesses brightening, toning, and anti-aging property that reduces fine line wrinkles. Sandalwood improves skin elasticity and gives a brighter complexion. Saffron evens out the skin tone, protects it from UV damage, and adds a natural glow to your skin. It is very lightweight and absorbs quickly. See how I applied it on my hand. You can use it day to night. And now this is the Skivia's Kumkumadi Spot Corrector Cream with vitamin C. So I'm telling you how to apply it. Apply it on affected areas by gently dabbing. Leave it for a minute and then follow up with Skivia Kumkumadi night cream or face oil or serum, whatever you have, and it helps to fade out dark spot, pigmentation, scars, and vitamin C helps to skin look brighter and even toned. It comes with the red sandalwood and tea tree, manjista, and so many good things. It is how the texture looks like of the product. It comes in a very good jar, glass bottle, and the formulation is very lightweight and fragrance is very mild, so you can use it day to night. And the last one is Kumkumadi Day Cream with SPF 30. It comes with carrot seed extract and raspberry oil, which are sun blockers naturals. So it comes in a glass jar bottle and 50-gram, cost for rupees 699. So how to use this? Take a small amount of product in your hands and massage gently on your cleansed face. So I'm telling you, the product looks like this. It is in the peach shade, and previous one was very orangish kind of. Vitamin E helps to lock moisture in your skin, nice and mild, helps to prevent acne causing bacteria, and boost skin elasticity. The day creams helps to fade away dark spot, fine line and pigmentation. Raspberry oil has natural SPF that protects your skin from sun damage and sunburn and tanning, so it is a very good formulation. See, it is very a lightweight and quick absorbing formula. I'm applying it on my hand, so you can also use this on your daily basis for good result. So these are the product. I am telling you again and again, please take a patch test before using any of the product, because they can damage your skin if you are allergic to any of the ingredient. So it will be better if you take a patch test before using any of the product on your face before. So बाद में मुझे ब्लेम मत करना कि मैंने आपको बताया नहीं था. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ से लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल बटन प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलें. थैंक यू.